Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just have a few things to share with you today. I think these things are very important and we must really consider them if we want to have long term relationships. Many people don't discuss these things and they end up killing and destroying many relationships. But I want to share these few important things with you today, which I think they will help you somehow. I have these few things that I want to share with you. Khona ezinye izinto ezenza i-relationship ingakwazi ukusebenza okumele as umuntu okwi-relationship uyi-understand futhi uqonde ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Number one, enye izinto eyenza ukuthi ama-relationship engasebenzi engaphumeleli ukuthi abantu besifazane bayahluleka ukutshela abantu abakwi-relationship nabo ukuthi yini into abayifunayo. Uma behluleka ukuchaza ukuthi yini into abayifunayo, bagcine bemukela noma yini abayithola kwi-relationship ngenxa yokuthi abakwazi ukusho ukuthi bafunani kwi-relationship. Kubalulekile ukuthi umtshele umuntu wakho ukuthi ufuna ini kwi-relationship, ngoba yikho into eyingozi yokuthi uhluleke ukuchaza into oyifunayo. Uma ungasayitholi into oyifunayo ongazange uyichazele umuntu onayo kwi-relationship, yenza ukuthi wena ucompromise i-standard sakho, wamukele noma yini akunikeza yona. Ngisho ngabe akufanele uthole leyo nto, ugcina uthola yona because you fail to communicate and tell them what you want. You end up compromising your standard and you end up receiving what you don't deserve because you fail to communicate what you want as a woman in a relationship. You end up hating your partner because he is not giving you what you did not communicate to him that you want. And if he doesn't give you what you did not communicate, you get angry, you get upset. So it's very important that you sit down. You tell your partner how you want to be treated. You tell your partner how you want to be loved. I know that they have to be spontaneous. I know that they have to think ahead of you. But important to give your partner an idea of what you want. How will that help you? It will give your partner an idea and it will make it easy for him to love you. Most women are angry with their partner that they don't take them out to the movies. You did not tell your partner that you want to go to the movies, and if he doesn't take you to the movies, you get angry about that. But tell your partner that you want to be taken out to the movies and he will take you out to the movies. Another thing, we fail to communicate. We keep things to ourselves. We don't want to say that we are angry. We don't want to say that we are not happy. We keep things to ourselves. But it is important that you communicate everything with your partner, whether it's good, whether it's bad, but you must communicate about everything that happens in your relationship. Another thing, it's important to know that you have a long-term goal with your partner. Because some men come to women with short-term goals and women have long-term goals with those men. So now, if a man comes to you with a short-term goal and you go to a man with a long-term goal, obviously you will face difficulties, you will be disappointed, you will be heartbroken because the person that you are with don't have a long-term goal with you. So everything that he does in this relationship, he will do things that are for now, things that are for this moment, whereas you are investing your time, investing your energy, investing your money because you are thinking it's a long-term goal. So it's important that you sit down with your man, you sit down with your woman, and you discuss whether you have a long-term goal or a short-term goal. Another thing, women fail to see the man who is serious about them, because a man uses love to grab the woman's attention. A man will show you love, and a man will do everything that you need at that particular moment so that he can have sex with you, so that he can sleep with you. But you must be able to see someone who is a long-term goal with you. A man who has a short-term goal with you, he would want to sleep with you within a short space of time. He will come with roses, he'll take you out, he'll give you money, he'll buy you data, he'll buy you airtime. He will meet your immediate needs so that he can meet his immediate need as well. He will buy you flowers so that he can meet his need, which is having sex with you. So, as a woman, you must understand and you must sit down with the man and understand what does he want from you. How are you going to see if the man has a long-term goal with you or a short-term goal with you? If he has a long-term goal with you, every time you refuse to go to bed with him, he will lose it and he will want to end things. Because relationships are not only about sex. There's a lot more in a relationship. You build a future together, you build a family together, you do everything together. So if he gets angry, if you refuse to give him sex, you must watch out. He's there for short-term goal, which is to get sex from you and leave you and go to another woman and do the same thing, go to another woman and do the same thing. But if he has a long-term goal with you, if you refuse sex, he will still wait. If there are things that you don't want to do with him, he will still wait because he has long-term plan with you. Right? So it's important to understand these things. I'll come back again with another series and unpacking some of the important relationship elements, because I feel it's important that we unpack these relationships things before we get into relationships and before we get married. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this first series. I'll have more series where I'll be unpacking other important things. God bless you.